This week, and one of the top names here was second best back in 2019.
That was a good match. Every event is one of my favorite pieces of gymnastics
in the world, for me. It just keeps. Oh boy, that was probably a good decision there, though. She was supposed to connect right into this.
Which once again, she only loses bonus.
A whole bunch of combinations again right here.
Oh, and another connection that she was supposed to do.
It's still phenomenal, and it's still world class, and it could still make the Olympic finals.
But again, that is something that she does so well.
But she can be better than that.
Now on forward, the Barnett's ntxhais.
Excellent. So much harder than it looks. Just jump down off the couch right now and give that a try in the middle of your living room 3 times around.
I'm going to do it here in the booth.
Beautiful, neat connection there. So far, very calm and confident.
Wow. Yeah, we're deducting, Nastia.
I'm not sure.
This is awesome. Oh. Almost perfect. So hard, though. Aerial cartwheel into 2 back layout step outs. Her goal in preparation for that one moment in time.
I stand still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Wow.